Hey Ashley, this is John West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with you the other day, promised this free videos, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. So my first tip is to really get a website up and running. So, it looks like you had a website, not sure what happened. Maybe you still have it, but there's no website attached to it. And the issue here is that when someone does a search, right? So like I found almost 2,200 searches a month in Fort Lauderdale for water damage, mold remediation, mold removal, fire damage. So there's a lot of volume to be had there. But when someone searches, you have to have a place for Google to put in front of them. And, some people only have like uh, Google, Facebook pages, but Facebook is not designed to rank like that. They're just not. It's a social media presence, and they're not really designed to rank on Google. The same thing. Some people use the websites that are attached to the Google business profiles, but they're not designed to rank anyway. They're just a free service to have with your Google business profile. So having a website is really important in being shown and being seen and ranking, and really just getting your name out in front of people. So um, when you do get a website, my tips for that, one, have a lot of content through your site. You can see this company has a pretty good amount of content. Content's pretty important for a couple of reasons. The first is so that you could be found for specific keywords, right? You want those keywords in your headings. You want videos saved as those keywords. You want them throughout your content. So, like water damage restoration, Fort Lauderdale. I would have that as a heading. I would have it within my text. I would save an image as that keyword. So instead of this image being, water damage restoration, Boca Raton. So they're doing a good job here in doing those things, and that's one of your competitions. So definitely one thing that I would do and is add content through your site, and especially a lot of content. The more content you have, the more keywords you could put in there as well. So content's just all around a great thing. My second tip would just be to give yourself um, a wide variety of ways to be found for any given search. So when someone searches something like this, right, there's a lot of ways in which to convert. You have the local ads, which convert at a pretty high rate. These are really a great useful tool for both businesses and consumers because Google does guarantee them up to a certain point financially. The Google ads, they're a great way, as you can see here, like this company really built out their ad pretty heavily, and it takes up a lot of space versus this ad that doesn't have a ton of stuff here. So you have a little bit more control over these. They don't convert as much as a high rate as these local ads, but they are very useful, and they do allow for a lot of impressions and are seen by a lot of people. And then the top 3 Google business profiles, these can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So this particular search, I believe there's 300 searches a month. So you're looking at 100 and what is that, 120 searches that are going directly to these top 3. So that's a lot of volume you could pull just by ranking organically, and then or ranking in the map pack, and then rank organically is important too. So if you're here in the top 3, if you're here in an ad, and you're here in the top 3 here, and you're ranking organically, you're going to pull as much traffic as possible. And going into ranking organically, that would be my third tip, is just to boost up the strength of your site. So it looked like at some point you had been building up this site, but it's not ranking for a ton of things. Some things like in New Jersey, professional restoration services, that's a national keyword. You weren't ranking for anything that was buyer specific, like water damage restoration Fort Lauderdale, or water damage Fort Lauderdale, or mold remediation. Like those are more things that people would search for. So and how you really build up the strength of this site is by adding referring domains or websites that send links back to your site. And just to show you what that looks like, this is Express Emergency Services. And you can see here their numerical value for the strength of their site is a lot stronger. Where you had 30, they have 162. They have 108 of them are do follow links, which are sending them power versus your 12. And as you can see, they're ranking in a lot more keywords, and they're getting a lot of traffic here. So this is kind of what you want to do, is you want to see what's working for other people and kind of emulate them and just do it better. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. We would love to get your feedback on this video. So With that, have a great day and God bless.